We're going to explain how to copy text from the command prompt. This is surprisingly useful, whether you're grabbing a long file path, a complicated error message, or just some output you need to paste elsewhere. There are a few ways to do this, depending on what you're working with and what you want to copy. Using the mouse. The simplest method is to just use your mouse. If the text you want to copy is visible in the command prompt window, you can select it with your mouse just like you would in any other program. Click and drag to highlight the desired text, then right-click and select Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C, CMD+C on a Mac. This works for most things displayed directly in the command prompt window, including error messages, directory listings, and the output of commands. Using the mark command for long outputs. Sometimes the output of a command is too long to easily select with the mouse. In these cases, the mark command can be incredibly helpful. This command isn't built into every command prompt, but it's common in many systems. Once you've executed the command producing the long output, type mark and press enter. This will activate a marking mode. Arrow keys to navigate to the beginning of the text you want to copy. Then, hold down the Shift key while using the arrow keys to select the text. Once you have the entire section highlighted, right-click and choose Copy, or use Ctrl+C, CMD+C on a Mac. This way, you can easily select and copy even very large blocks of text. 3. Copying from the scrollback buffer. Command prompts generally have a scrollback buffer, which stores a history of previously displayed text. Even if the text has scrolled off the screen, it's usually still accessible. Many command prompts allow you to use the mouse to scroll back and select text from the buffer, using methods. 1. For those with less intuitive methods, you might need to look up your specific command prompt's documentation to learn how to access and copy from its scrollback buffer, often using the mouse wheel or page up-down keys. 4. Using the right-click menu. Many modern command prompts allow you to right-click directly on the text to bring up a context menu that includes a copy option. This makes copying selected text exceptionally easy. 5. Redirecting output to a file. For more advanced scenarios, you can redirect the output of a command directly to a file. For example, if you're running a command like dir to list files, you could type dir output.txt, and the output would be saved to a file named output.txt. You can then open this file in a text editor and copy the text from there. This is very useful for automatically saving large amounts of data that would otherwise be hard to copy manually. This allows for easy saving and copying later in any text editor. Remember to choose the method that best suits your needs. For small amounts of text, the mouse is easiest. For large blocks of text, mark or redirecting to a file are better choices. Once copied, you can paste the text, Ctrl+V or CMD+V into any other application.